Okay, everyone, we are at the Myrtle Lake car show. Rusty, tell us what we're doing here today. It's a very good cause.
We're having a great time. Great cause. Brought my race car. This is Marvin that works for me. He's my painter now, and his wife.
Lakeistra. Yes.
Welcome to the show.
Welcome. Okay.
428 Cobra Jet. You're probably not going to hear me because it's probably not loud enough with the music in the background.
Yes. And why? What's the show about? We're going to ask the pastor to tell us that. Yeah. But it's a great show. This is the first annual Myrtle Lake Baptist Church car show. And we have some very beautiful cars today and some very unique cars, right?
Yes. Go take pictures of them. Let you see them.
Okay.
Walk around, Debbie.
All right. Okay, now we have the pastor of Myrtle Lake. This is everyone, Pastor Kevin. Pastor Kevin, just tell us a little bit about what's happening today and what Myrtle Lake is all about.
We have this great car show going on. We had over 40 cars here today. We're excited for Angel Tree. We do an Angel Tree ministry every year here at the Church of Myrtle Lake, and we're supporting like 50 kids, like 20-something families. We're giving them Christmas. A lot of these kids wouldn't have Christmas if it wasn't for what we're doing here. So everything we raise today, all the money, we're giving to that. So all these kids are going to have a wonderful Christmas.
And toys.
Then, toys, and then the parents are going to get gift cards, and it's just amazing what we're doing. Here at the Church at the Myrtle Lake, here at the Church of Myrtle Lake, we love people. We love people, and we're just excited to have people come, and we want to be known as the friendly church, and we are friendly. And we invite everybody to come and just experience the love of God and the love of our people. So thanks for watching, and thanks for coming today. What a great day. Next year, December 6th, 2025, we're going to have our car show again. It'll be our second annual car show. So come, put it on your calendar now. Thank you. God bless. Thank you, Pastor Kevin. Oh, so can you tell me about your car? What kind of car is it, and what's unique about your car?
It's a 1934 Ford, 3-window coupe, and I've owned it for about 15 years, and 2 years into owning it, I got into an accident with it, so I tore the car apart.
Yikes.
And rebuilt it to what you see today.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Okay, and you put a new engine in?
I put a new motor and transmission in it.
Uh-huh.
And redid the interior, brought the interior up to date.
Okay.
To today's standards.
Can I see the interior?
Sure.
Can we look at that? Oh, look how you have to open that door. Okay. Oh, pretty. Pretty. Love it.
I use 3 types of leather. The plain, a perforated leather, and then the alligator print.
Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. And what is your name?
My name is Sam Peroni.
And you go to about, you said 6 car shows a year, huh?
Yes, I attend about 6 car shows a year.
All right, Sam. I love it. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
1983 DeLorean.
Okay, the next one we're looking at is a 1983 DeLorean. Okay, anything interesting?
I've had it for 20 years.
Oh my gosh!
I love DeLoreans. I have 3 of them.
Oh really? Oh my God!
I went to John DeLorean's funeral.
Oh my God!
And the car is a very, very nice car.
All right, and you guys drive this car?
Yes.
This is the driver.
It's a Florida driver.
A Florida driver. All right, thank you.
With a Michigan plate in it.
With a Michigan plate. Okay.
You might want to take a picture of the flux capacitor and the timing set would go back to different years.
Oh yes! Oh look at that!
Is the light still going off on the flux capacitor?
Yep.
Just like in the movie.
I don't know. Are they built?
This one now is a 1966 Shelby Mustang, and here's the owner. Tell us a little bit about the history of what happened with this car. And
okay, so this car was for rent from Hertz in 1966. They made 1,000 of them. Shelby Motor Cars did, sold them to Hertz, and for $17 a day and 17 cents a mile, you could rent a racer, which it literally says on the license plate, rent a racer. And people would take them to the track for the day and rent them. And run them ragged, and after a couple years Hertz sold them into the market, and this one made its way to me after 60 years. So Pretty privileged to own it.
Amazing. You are privileged to own it, and we just all at the show here today love it. Look at the wheels, Hertz on the wheels. Let's take a look inside. All original. Look at that. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you.
I know, but you still have to.
All right, tell us about your car, please.
1966 Emberglow Coupe, fully restored, original engine, been modified to a T5 transmission, 380 rear end. And other than that, I enjoy it, take it to shows.
Beautiful. There's the
Parchment interior.
Parchment. It's a beautiful interior. All right, you guys. Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing.
Good show.
Thank you very much. Okay, so this is the owner of a GTO.
1967.
Okay. And now, how did you find the car? That was what you were telling me.
I found it on autotrader.com
Amazing.
in Lakeland,
Oh my
Florida.
gosh. Oh my gosh. You said you were looking for it for over a year.
Over a year.
Okay. And
Because I wanted a 4-speed, a convertible, matching numbers. It's all original.
okay.
And I
Okay.
didn't know it, but it also has the high-performance HO engine in it.
HO engine. Okay. And so now this paint job that's on it was already on it when you got it?
This paint job was done in 2001.
Okay.
They did it when they did the off-frame restoration.
Okay. Okay. All right. And you are Ed Werner. Look at that engine, how clean. And what did you say, what engine is in it?
400 HO.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much. Your car's beautiful.
Thank you.
Everyone, this is Mark Conrad. Could you tell me a little bit about your car? It's a 1952.
Actually, it's a 1951
Okay.
Ford F1.
Okay.
And
How long have you had it?
had about 12 years.
Okay.
Somewhere in there.
Okay.
Yes.
And how-
5-year-old.
Where did you get it?
That's the story of this one. My father-in-law bought it to have a motor and the transmission out of it, and he gave me the truck, and I rebuilt the truck.
So your father-in-law bought it, but no motor, no transmission.
$2,000.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
So you had to do everything pretty much
Everything else, yes.
from the beginning.
Correct.
All right. Well, it's beautiful. It absolutely is. Let me just take a look at that engine. What engine is in it?
It's got a 351 Ford engine in it.
All right. All right.
It's all Ford.
Big air cleaner, huh? I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing.